A SEP IRA can be a great way to store away a ton of money for retirement as a self-employed person, and this is something that I have personally done for a number of years now. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put over $60,000 per year into this type of retirement account, the requirements that you need to meet in order to do so, and then walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. And I want to say this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what I have personally done myself. So let's dive in and talk about how to max out your SEP IRA. Now let's go to the chase. Big picture, you want to put a lot of money into your retirement account. In most cases, you're actually going to be able to put away more money into a solo 401k than you would be able to with a SEP IRA. And if you're not familiar with a solo 401k, got my full explainer video right up here on those. But if you're set in your ways on the SEP IRA, the maximum amount that you're able to contribute to your SEP IRA in 2023 is $66,000. However, this is the maximum possible amount, and your personal maximum might actually be a bit lower. Now, the reason for that is that your maximum is going to be based on your total income from your business. Because unlike a solo 401k, you can't put 100% of your take-home income into a SEP IRA. The rule is actually 25% of your net income is the limit that you can contribute to a SEP IRA. But if you're self-employed, that limit actually gets lowered to 20%. Now, it's a bit complicated why this is, but big picture, it's because as an employer, you can deduct a portion of your self-employment taxes. And so to compensate for that, they're reducing the total amount that you can contribute to your retirement account, whereas an employee is not able to deduct these taxes. And so that's why they get 25%, and that's why you as the employer get 20%. And the math behind this is basically you take the contribution percentage, so 25%, you divide that by 1 plus the contribution percentage, so 1.25, and then that gives you 20%. So in context, to contribute that maximum amount, you must make at least $330,000 in net self-employment income for the year. If you make less than that and you still want to put away $60,000 or more, that's where you're going to look at a solo 401k. And the reason I talk so much about a solo 401k is because I moved personally from the SEP IRA to the solo 401k a couple of years ago for a number of reasons. I have a full video comparing the two, which you can find up here. That'll give you some more detail as to why I did that. But in context, let's say you make $100,000 net in your business this year. You'd be able to contribute $20,000 into your SEP IRA, right? Well, not so fast. There are actually a few key requirements you need to know that's going to determine exactly how much you can put in for your personal situation. And then I'll show you exactly how to do it. So the big requirements you got to watch out for. The first one, and this is the biggest one, is that you need to contribute the same percentage for employees as you do for yourself. So if you have full-time employees in your business and you want to contribute to your SEP IRA, you also have to put your money into their SEP IRA in the same proportion that you're contributing to your own. So if you make $100,000 and you want to contribute the full 20% to your SEP IRA, then Bill in accounting, who also makes $100,000, you actually have to put $25,000 into his SEP IRA to balance out the percentages with that formula from earlier. And then on top of that, they get that money vested immediately. So unlike a 401k, there's no vesting schedule. So you put that $25,000 into his account, he could quit tomorrow, and that money is his to do with what he pleases. But you only need to do this for eligible employees. And there's 3 criteria that go into determining if an employee is eligible for a SEP IRA. First, they need to be 21 or older. Next, they need to have worked for you for 3 of the last 5 years. And then third, you need to be paying them over $600 per year. So all that being said, it's probably not going to be a great plan for you if you have a ton of employees, because it's going to get very expensive for you because you are the one making all of the contributions. The employees do not contribute to the SEP IRA. As of 2023, this is a pretty big change. You can now contribute either pre-tax or post-tax dollars to your SEP IRA. This is a pretty big update and makes these accounts much more versatile because now you can actually choose the tax treatment of your money. So if you're still on board after all those rules, how do you actually go through and contribute to a SEP IRA? Well, if you type in applecreator.com/M1 or use the link at the top of the description, it'll take you to the site that I use personally so that you can follow along. And also I want to mention that you can contribute for the tax year of 2023 all the way up until April 15th, 2024, and still have it be counted as the previous year. So if you think it's too late to contribute to your SEP, it might not be. But diving back in, first thing you'll have to do is create an account. And you're gonna have to enter both your social security number and your employer identification number because they're gonna be reporting your retirement contributions to the IRS. Then from within your dashboard, you're going to be opening up a SEP IRA. And within your account, you're gonna be able to set up what is called an investment pie, where you can basically specify what you want your investment allocation to look like. And then the platform, M1, is going to automatically automatically rebalance your portfolio and just completely streamline things so you can just set it and forget it and be done with it, which is why I personally love the platform and have been using it now for probably close to 5 years. And so from there, you can either make a lump sum contribution or you can set up recurring contributions so that you're just automatically putting money in there, dollar cost averaging every single month, which is personally what I choose to do. And if you do want to support the channel, again, using that link in the description below really does do that. And if they're running any kind of promotions or offers, you'll be eligible for those by using that link as well. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. I would be happy to help. Best of luck out there, and I'll see you in the next video.